So, welcome back, dear friends. Welcome back to Shasha's virtual classroom. So, today we'll discuss exercise activity 3.2. So, enter the following transaction in the books of in Lee's cash book. So, we'll learn how to prepare cash book. So, I think you might have understood this. This is very easy topic, but some students may be confused, a bit confused. So, let us discuss. So, what you can do is before trying having a look at looking at this particular session, you can just try working out the problem on your own so that your understanding is clear. So always try to work out on your own and then compare the answers so that the understanding is clear. Okay, so basically I will I would like to let you know that this is a format. Particularly you have to write this in a particular format or particular what do you say in a particular style. So you cannot write it as however you want. So that style is this. So you have to write it in this way. So cash book. So this side is debit and this side is credit. So this side you have to write date, whatever details are there. Then discount. This is one column. So this is one column. So this is another column and this is another column, and between, so there should be one line. So again similarly this side also there is one column, another column, date, one column. So this is date, one column, date. So details, particulars, then discount received, one column, cash, one column, bank, one column, and the currency, of course, whether dollars or pounds or whatever. So we have to write here. Okay, so this is how it is. So we have to write this in this particular format. First you write the format. So this side cash book, so this side is debit, this side is credit. So the date, whatever your particulars. So first you write this till here. So copy, you have to write as it is, this way you have to write. Then we will start working out this question. Okay, so this is the question. So enter the following transaction in Lee's cash book. April 1st, cash sales 1000. April 1st. Okay, so one more thing. So whatever we receive, we have to write here. So all that is received, we have to write here, and whatever we pay, we have to write here. Okay, so in other words, if it is debit, so cash book is a real account, cash account is a real account. Debit, what comes in? So when we sell, cash comes in. When we sell, cash comes in, and it is cash. Cash sales 1000, cash is coming in. So cash column 1000, cash is coming in, debit, cash, this is cash account. Okay, so cash book, this is cash account, this is bank account, this is discount account. So this is discount account. So this is discount allowed. So this is discount allowed, discount. So this is discount received, sorry, this is received. So it's a credit, no, it is received. So this is discount allowed, discount. So allowed discount. So remember, this is allowed. Okay, so this side, because when we pay at the time we receive discount, no, we receive, so it's a credit. So but when we receive, at that time we allow discount, so it's a loss. So we write here. So cash account, sales 1000, sales account 1000. So we write here. So we receive cash upon sale, we write here. So all whatever we receive, we have to write here. Whatever we pay, you have to write here. Simple. This is just for you to remember. So don't write like this. So let us see if they are writing this way. No, see, they are not writing whether it is receipt or paid. So here they are also discount received, they have written. Okay, so So discount allowed. So here they have not written whether it is received. So this is just for you to remember. So just for you, so that you understand, it is easy for you. Okay, so don't write this. So don't write. This is for you, just for you to remember. So don't write. Okay, so don't write. So receive cash. When we sell, we receive. So then what is the next one? So electricity charges, electricity paid in cash, payment. So we are paying. So credit what goes out. So credit what goes out. Cash account is a, so cash account credit what goes out. So what date? So it is on April 2nd. So 2nd. So credit what goes out. Electricity. How much? 100. Cash. Credit what goes out. Cash has gone out. Credit what goes out. So next. So we received, we have paid 100. So credit cash account will be credited and electricity charges will be debited. So next. Cash sales 800. So we are receiving cash again. So what date it is? It is on 3rd, 800. On 3rd. Sales 800. We are receiving. When we sell, we receive, no? So receive. So 800. Next. Banked cash. So what do you mean by banked cash? We are taking out cash and putting into bank. So what is the entry when we bank cash? So very important. Okay, so this students often get confused with this entry. Students often get confused with this entry. For that, what you do, you just remember the entry first. Okay, so this is the easy way. Banked cash means you are depositing money in bank. So bank account will be debited. Bank account will be debited. Cash account will be credited. Cash account will be credited. So banked cash means we are depositing cash into bank. Cash is going out. Cash is going out and money is coming in bank. Banked cash. So money is coming in bank. Banked. Okay, so money is coming in bank. Money is coming in bank. So this is bank. So money is coming in here. So how much? 1400. So money is coming in bank. Banked cash. So but cash is going out. Cash will go out. So cash will go out. What date? 4th. Banked cash. So remember, always you have to write like this. Okay, so my banked cash. So remember, don't get confused. So bank account will be debited. Bank account will be debited. Banked cash and cash account will be credited because cash is going out, money is coming in bank. So against this, what you have to do here, you have to write bank. Against this you have to write bank, and against this you have to write cash. And this is called contra. So you have to write it as C here. Contra. Contra means it is affecting both the cash account and bank account on the opposite sides. So this entry will go nowhere, but only affected in the cash book and bank book. So the cash account and bank account, that's why it's called contra entry. Contra entry means money is going out from cash and coming into bank. So remember, when you're writing in bank column, here it should be cash. So see here, bank column, here it is cash. So similarly here also, here it is cash column, but here it is bank. So be careful. Okay, so a lot of students, they commit mistake, they get confused with this. So the concept should be clear. So understand this. So what is happening? So cash is going out and money is coming in bank. Simple, that's all. Okay, so then stationery paid in cash. So stationery paid in cash means you are making the payment stationery. What date? It is on 5th stationery. How much? 20 bucks. So 20. So withdrew 900 from bank for cash float. So we are taking out money from bank. Okay, withdrew 900 from bank. Be careful. So now money is going out from bank and money is coming in cash. This is exactly opposite of this. So withdrew 900 from bank. So money is going out from bank and coming in cash. So the entry is exactly reverse of this. So what is happening? Money is going out from bank and coming in cash. Cash is increasing, money is decreasing in bank account. So remember, okay, cash account will be debited, and bank account will be credited. So understand, this is very important. Lot of students commit mistake here also, so they get confused. Understand this is very important. Withdrew 900 from bank for cash float. Cash float means to keep in office, for cash expenses. So that is the meaning, okay, to keep in office for cash expenses. So we have to record rupees withdrew 900 from bank for cash. So money will go out from bank and come in cash. So money will go out from bank. Okay, how much? 900. What date? 6th. On 6th, what is happening? Money is coming in cash and going out from bank. First you write in bank column, okay, then you write in cash column, or you write in cash column and then you write in bank column. First you write this, then you write the date is very important. So then against this, so what is happening? Money has gone out from bank. So this is payment, right? So money has gone out from bank. So against this, here you have to write cash, and this is called contra again. So against this is value here you have written in cash column, so here you have to write bank. So this is in cash column, but here against this you have to write bank. So be careful. So against this you have to write again contra. Why? Because it is hitting cash on one account and bank on the another account, same. So very careful, okay. So lot of students commit mistake here. So this is very important. So this is very important. This is very important. Contra entries are very important because lot of students commit mistake here. And cash book problem is very important in AS level. So because it's very important, often asked, okay. So very important. So at least in tests, internal tests and all, it is often asked. So a lot of questions are based out of this. So even bank reconciliation statement is based on this. So that's why the concept should be very crystal clear for you, okay. So the concept should be very clear. So this is the end. So they have not asked to balance. So if you want to balance, how you balance? So you add here. So we are total here. So we total here. So whatever balance is there, balance carry down. So this side here, cash, bank. So balance carry down. So what is the balance? So here this side 1400, here it is 900. So 1400 minus 900 is 500. So we write here 500. So here 1800, 1800 plus 900. So 19 plus 8, 27. 27 minus 1520. 2700 minus 1520 will be, okay, so this will be 1800, 2000, so it will be 1180. So here will be 1180. So now the total on this side, total this side, total this side, total this side, total this side should be same. So here it is 1400. So here it is 2700. This is 1180. 2700. So here it is 1400. So here it is 2700. So crystal clear. Okay, so this is how it is. So 1180. If you add all this should be 2700. So in other words, when you are balancing, so both the sides should be same. Okay, so here balance brought down. So balance brought down. Whatever is carried down here, it will be brought down here. So 1180. So this will be 500. So this is how it is. So end. So this is the end of this activity 3.2. Okay, so let's catch up in the next class. Till then, have a good day.